Page 207, Story 6, Part 4, Spelling Words. Listen and write the words you hear. Number 1, looking, looking. I'm looking for paper towels. Looking. Number 2, many, many. I need many things. We have many students. Many. Number 3, now, now. Now we have break time. Now. Number 4, how, how can you pay? How. Number 5, over there, over there. Oh, paper towels are over there, over there. Number 6, out, out. Check out, out. Number 7, store, store. Sam went to the store, store. Number 8, you are the students, you. And finished. Take a picture and send it to me. Thank you.